I hope we're all good and fine and stay blessed. Oh, I just want to share you guys about uh one mining app. And if you're the kind of people or the kind of person that loves free things like free coin, that you don't want to use your money to buy coin, so this is the opportunity for you to get started and start mining now. And disclaimer, please, this is just for educational purpose, and I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, so you can try and do your research on any video I post here before you start. Okay, I love you all. So the name of the app is, so this is the app. This is the app. Okay, so I've downloaded it already. So I've started mining on it. So you will just click on the link I'll drop on my comment section, or the one I'll drop on the description of this video. So it will direct you to where to register and download the app. So boom and come. This the okay. I try to log out so that I can show you guys how to register, sha. So this is it. I've registered before, but because of you guys, so it's very simple. Enter your email, your nationality, your password, your login password, and confirm it again. Then you click here. Okay. You click here. So then you click on send code. They will send code to your email and you will click on the code. Boom, you are on the app. So let me back because I want to log into my account and show you guys how to mine on the app. So boom, that is the interface of the app. You see this home, this is the dashboard, this is the interface. So this is what you're going to do every day on the app. It's very simple and really easy. It's very easy to mine. Trust me. And after click on the link I drop, come here, okay? You need to come here and come to this add the invitation code. So I will drop my invitation code too because I'll fill my invitation code, but you are going to come here and type your invitation code so that they can give you 23,000 of Atoshi. The name of the app is Atoshi, as you all seen here, as you all see here. So that's it for the registration and the interface. So every maybe every 1 hour or 2 hour, anytime you're free, after click here and mining, this one is going to serve you for, if you click here, they're going to give you 10 Atoshi and it's going to read for 24 hours. So you're still coming back after 24 hours. You will come back after 24 hours and start mining here. And or you can still come here, you see, come here and tap. Yes, it's going to add. If not three, it may be 3, 4, 5. Here, just click on it and they are going to add it here for you. So that's it. And let's come to the reward. So this is the another way to accumulate the coin, the coin. So you sign in, you come here every day and sign in, okay? You will come here every day and sign in. So after signing, they are going to up. So after signing, sorry, it's because of, so good. After signing, they are going to give you some coin, like 10 coin. As you see, they're going to give you 10 coin to the to your dashboard. So that's it. In this place you can post your video. Let's leave this place because I don't the network is very bad and I don't want this video to be long. So this place is just to post your video. And so this is where you're going to post your video or watch some video about this. The network is very bad, so let's go back to home page. So I don't want this video to be long. So that's it. In case you want to refer people, you come here. This is your, you just click here and copy and send it to the person, maybe on WhatsApp or on Telegram, to start mining too. So the person is going to receive 23,000 Atoshi, and you too, you're going to receive 23,000 Atoshi. So that's it. And nothing lasts forever, guys. This, I think, this is the first um first I mean, how to put it, this is a uh, first phase of mining in this app. You know, they are still going to reduce all this coin token, you know. So I will just advise you to just jump onto it now and start mining. So, and I love you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like, and drop your comments. I'm going to reply you. So stay blessed and I love you all. Thank you.